Hello everyone, I am Khanam and this is my 34th video in React series. In our previous video, we have made this simple project, okay, using props and using map method. We have accessed all the data and we have displayed the data here. Okay, now in this tutorial, we are going to see prop types. Okay, now if you want, you can just come to Google, just type this one, prop types in React, and here just click on this first link, and inside this you will be having everything you have to know about this one. Okay, type checking with prop types. Now we are going to see this one. Here if you see this example, they have just imported this prop types from prop types. We have to import this one. They are using this class components, but we are using functional components. So we will see how to use that one. Okay, here I'll just copy this one. Okay, instead of that I'm just going to type that one. Okay, here this is the code for our project. Okay, we have done this one. Now inside this component, here I'm just going to import that one, import prop types, import prop type from prop type. Okay, if I just show you here, they are just importing this one, and here they are having this function name, whatever function name they are having here, function name dot prop types, and inside this they are just checking this type. Okay, we'll see this one once we write this example, then you will understand this one. I'll just copy this. This is my function name. I'll just copy this one, and here I'm going to paste that one dot. We have to write the prop types here. I'm just going to write here prop types. Now we are going to pass object inside this one. Objects will always come in name, value, paste. So for title I'm just going to check, okay, because in my project I have given here title. You can see here I have this title, text, button, text. Okay, let me just give for text here. I'll just copy this text and here I'll be pasting that text dot. I'm just going to check the prop type for that. I'll just write here prop types dot string. Okay, this you just have to write here colon. I'll save this, and now if I show you the output, okay, type in declare type string. I'll just write in small letters string. I'll save this. Now if you see here, I don't have anything now. Now here I have just changed the data. Now here I'll just inspect this. Now in my console, if you see here, prop type text is invalid. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment this entire thing. This entire thing I'll just commenting it out. Now here I'll just copy this entire component and here I'll be pasting that one. Okay, instead of this I'm just going to write here 1. I'll just pass here 1. And image src, I'm just going to pass my image path here. I'll just remove this. I'll be writing one images, and inside this I'll just write image1.jpg. Okay, I'm just explaining you, okay, how to do type checking here. Here title I'm just going to pass here Hotel Plaza or something, and text, instead of passing text I'm just going to pass some number here. I'll just write some number here, random number, and button text I'm just going to write read more. I'll save this, and now if I show you the output, you can see here I am having this one, but here if you see here, invalid prop text of type number supplied to hotel expected string. Okay, here because here for this text, okay, I have given here string, but here I am passing this number. So if I pass this number, then I am going to get this error. Okay, invalid prop text of type number supplied to hotel, it is expecting string. Okay, it is telling me that it is expecting string, and here you can see number is displayed, but here it is telling me that you have to pass string. So we are just going to check the type checking for, we are just checking the type of this one, and I am just telling that it should be string. I'll just separate using comma, and for my title I'm just going to check. I'll just write this prop types here, prop types dot, let me just give here number. I'll save this, and now if I show you the output, you can see invalid prop type string supplied to expected strings, and here also I'm getting this invalid prop type number supplied to strings and expected string. You can see here I'm getting this error here. Okay, for text I'm passing string, so it is telling me it is expecting string, then you have given number here. But for my title I have passed number, but it is taking string, so this error I'll be getting. So we are just going to check this one. Okay, for safer side you just have to write this one. Okay, for in every project when you are using this one, for safer side you just write that one. You just assign this data types, and you have to pass this data types when you are passing the data. Now for my title I have just given the text. Now if I just remove this number and I'll just give some text here, I'll just write some dummy text here, lorem. I'll save this, and I'm just going to remove this. I'll save this, and now if I show you the output, You can see here only that text error has gone, but for my title it is being displayed here. Okay, title of type string, and it is expecting number. So for my title, if I just give here number, inside parenthesis I'll just give here 22. I'll save this, and now if I just refresh this one, you can see here I don't have any error in my console now. Okay, this is how we are going to check the types. Now here we are going to see another prop type, that is nothing but a default prop type. Here if you see in this document, here also we are going to have that. Okay, here you can see, you can just refer this example. Okay, you can just refer or glance this one. You don't have to write this, you don't have to by heart this entire thing to understand how to check data types. You just have to know only so much, and it's more than enough if you know this one. Okay, now next we are having this single child. Okay, next we have this default prop values. Now suppose if you forget to give some text here. Okay, I'll just remove this text from here. I'll save this, and now here I'm just going to use default props. I'll just write here default props, DEFAULT, and I'm just going to write here props, default props, and inside this I'm going to pass the text value here, text, and here I'll just give some text, like I'll just give here hello. I'll just give here hello. I'll save this. Now if you see here, text I have removed from here. Now if I show you the output, you can see hello is being displayed here. By default I am just setting some text, because suppose if I forget, this default value will be taken and that will be displayed to me. You have to give the specific names, you have to give specific text, so that you will remember, so that you will get the correct output. You don't have to pass this data here. I'm just telling you, and I'm just giving you an example. Now instead of this text, I'm just going to give title. Let me just give here hotel 5-star. I'll just save this. I just have to separate using comma. I'll save this, and now I forgot to give the title. I'll just remove title from here. I'll save this, and now if I show you the output, you can see hotel 5-star will be displayed to me here. Okay, this is how we are going to pass default props, and we will be getting the data. If we don't pass any data, that whatever default value we have passed, that will be accessed here, and that will be displayed to me and to your users. Okay, this is all about prop types. We are just going to check the data type. Okay, we are just going to check this data type. If it is not string, we will be getting an error. And next is a default prop types. We are setting the default value. If we forget, by chance if we forget to pass this values, this data whatever we are passing inside this one, that will be displayed to us. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. In our next tutorial, we are going to start the most important topics in React, that is nothing but hooks. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.